Hi, this is the Thule 909 3-bike carrier. Very little assembly required on this bike carrier. Comes with a separate vertical hoop. When you put this in, this bend has the arm pointing slightly to the front. Slide it into place. Take the longer bolt, feed it from the outside through. Same on the other side. And then slide the arm down, and that's held securely. Flat washer goes on, and the tightening knob. Same for the second side. Finally, it's a small screw-on stud that goes on with the Allen key. Just put this on and tighten it up. This prevents you over slackening the knob and losing it. Just good and tight. Same on the second side. That's a little easier, that one. Okay. When the bike carrier isn't in use, you lift this up and it will fold flat. That's as compact as the carrier goes. So back up, slide those down, tighten the knob, and that's the assembly of the carrier complete. Whilst you can see the top operation of this, it's quite simple. Pop the key in, turn the key, slide this cap forwards to the red position, lift the handle, and that's how it will go onto the car. Something to point out here is that this key, when it's up, comes very close to the top of the ball mounting. It's best not to have that on a bunch of keys. If you've got a load of keys on there, it can bend and break the key. So when you put that back down on your car, you will pull that to the green position, turn the key, and that is locked and ready for use. I'll just go around to the other side now and can talk about the number plate. UK number plates require the use of the top two plastic tabs. Bend and break, come off quite easily usually. Slide the number plate into the small hooks at the bottom of the carrier, and then just pop in the two clips in the lower of the two sets of holes. So this is for the standard UK number plate. Finally, you just have to put the supports for the bikes onto the back of the frame. These are quite a clever little design. Just show you one here. You have to slacken off the knob, good number of turns, and then by sliding that through, pulling the tube towards you, the clamp will hinge open and is very easily fitted around the frame of the carrier. Put that tube back and then you're ready to pop the bikes in. Just put that onto the carrier. Now like so. On there. So ease of positioning generally. Fit the first bike, clamp it on. You can then feed the second support through your first bike, and finally feed the support for the third bike through the first two bikes. The arm for the third bike has a built-in locking knob on there with the key. So this bike carrier can take 3 bikes or 4 if used with the adapter 9081. The maximum capacity in terms of weight with 3 bikes on is 51 kilos, or with 4 bikes 60 kilos. And there you have the Thule 909. The Thule 908 2-bike carrier works in exactly the same way, has one track here less than this whole carrier, and obviously doesn't have the longer arm. In every other respect it's the same carrier. I've just tipped the bike carrier onto its back to tell you about one other feature that not everybody seems to be aware of. The carrier is factory set to tilt to about 50 degrees from the vertical with the bikes loaded. If that doesn't give you sufficient clearance to open your tailgate, it's possible by removing this bolt and moving them to the hole above, complete with bracket, to this hole. That will give you the ability to tilt the bike carrier to 70 degrees, hopefully giving you clearance on the tailgate of your vehicle.